Good morning, everyone. How are you all? All are doing good? So, children, today we are going to start our session. Okay, but before starting the session, we will start with a prayer. Okay, so join your hands and get ready for the prayer, children. So, let's start. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So, children, as I told you all that we are going to start with this book number 1, the first theme book, Shapes and Color. In this book, we are going to learn about different shapes and different colors. Okay? Now, shapes. Today, let's start with the shape circle. Okay? Now, children, you can see my screen. Circle. Round and round circle. Okay? So, which shape is this, children? A circle. Circle has how many sides? Circle has no sides. It is just round and round. Okay? What I will do is, I will recite a small rhyme for you all for the shape circle. Okay? This is a circle. This is a circle. What can you see? What can you see? It has no sides. It has no sides. Just round and round. Round and round. Right? Yes. This is a small rhyme which I prepared for you all so that you can remember the sides. How many sides does a shape have? Okay, I'll speak about the different other shapes later, but today we are going to see about the shape circle. Understood, everyone? Yes. So this is the shape circle. Okay. Now next, let's see some objects of the shape circle. Can you see the bright sun, yellow sun? What is the shape of the sun? Circle. It is round, circle. Then look at the football. What is the shape of the ball? Circle. Then look at this round apple, red apple. What is the shape of the apple? Circle. Then now see, you can see so many circle objects. Coin, sun, candy, football, pizza and full moon. You can see all these circle shape objects, right? Everyone understood what is a shape circle? Circle shape has no sides, no corners. It is just round. Okay? One more time I'll repeat the rhyme for you all. This is a circle. This is a circle. What can you see? What can you see? It has no sides. It has no sides. Just round and round. Round and round. Okay, children? So this is the shape circle. So children, as I told you all, now I explained you about the shape circle. So let us practice some activity pages in this book for the shape circle. Okay, in this book, shapes and color. So today we will practice in the general awareness subject. Okay, so children, for practicing the shape circle, the practice page for your general awareness subject is page number 38. Okay, so this is your first topic that we are going to practice today in your general awareness subject. shapes around us. Now, what is the first line given? Can you see the colorful butterfly? She's saying something. Hello, friends. I am Lily, the butterfly. What is the name of the butterfly? Lily. I have a friend called Lenny. Lenny got a new dress for a birthday party. The girl name is Lenny and the butterfly name is Lily. So the Lily is saying that Lenny has got a new dress for a birthday party. आप भी न्यू ड्रेस खरीदते हो ना बर्थडे पार्टीज के लिए? Yes. In the same way, Lenny has purchased a new dress for a birthday party. So what she is telling you to do? Can you spot the circle on her dress? You can see the skirt which is full of yellow circles, and you can see her top which has yellow round buttons. Yes? So what you have to do, just you have to spot. उस पेज में जो लेनी के ड्रेस के ऊपर सर्कल्स है, सिर्फ आपको उसे स्पॉट करना है. फिंगर से आपको सिर्फ पॉइंट आउट करना है दैट विच इज द शेप सर्कल. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? क्या करना है आपको इस पेज में? यस. वाई? सो दैट यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई द शेप क्लियरली. Understood, children? So on this page only you have to spot the circles on the dress. Nothing else you have to do. Okay? Now come to the next page. Page number 39. Over here, let's do some fun thing with the shape circle. What is given over here at the top? Paste the stickers of the things that look like a circle. Now for this, from where you will get the stickers? From the middle page of the book. आपके बुक के मिडिल पेज में अगर आप देखोगे, देयर इज 2 pages ऑफ स्टिकर्स, और हर एक चीज़ पे आपको आपने देखा होगा स्टिकर्स फॉर पेज नंबर 15 and 16, स्टिकर्स फॉर पेज नंबर 24, राइट? देन स्टिकर्स फॉर पेज नंबर 39. ऐसे आपको हर एक पेज नंबर इंडिकेट करके स्टिकर्स दिए हुए. So from here you have to, now we are practicing page number 39. So you have to take the circle shape stickers for only of the page number 39. पेज नंबर 47, पेज नंबर 24, यहाँ से आपको स्टिकर्स नहीं लेने हैं. जो स्टिकर्स फॉर पेज नंबर 39 लिखा है वहीं से आपको जो सर्कल शेप के 3 स्टिकर्स दिए हैं, बटन, ईयरिंग एंड वॉच, सिर्फ ये स्टिकर्स आप वहाँ से निकालोगे. ओके? एंड देन यू विल पेस्ट इट ऑन पेज नंबर 39 जस्ट द वे आई डिड. मुझे यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया था कि आपको यहाँ पे सर्कल शेप के स्टिकर्स पेस्ट करने हैं. सो आई हैव पेस्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. पेरेंट्स विल गाइड यू वेयर इज द वर्ड बटन. बटन इज ऑफ सर्कल शेप. बटन का स्टिकर आपको वहाँ पे बटन के स्पेस में स्क्वायर शेप में स्टिक करना है. ईयरिंग सर्कल शेप, wrist watch सर्कल शेप, सारे आपको वहाँ पे पेस्ट करने हैं with the help of your parents. Then come to the next question. Color the circle on the wings. Now you can see this beautiful butterfly is, she is very upset. Why? Because you know that butterflies are very colorful, but this butterfly is not colorful. That's why she is very upset. So what she's requesting you? She's requesting you to make her colorful. How you are going to make her colorful? You don't have to color the entire butterfly. No, you have to color only the circle on her wings. Okay? जो बटरफ्लाई के विंग्स है उसमें आप सर्कल्स देख रहे हो ना, हमने सर्कल पढ़ा. यस, ओनली यू हैव टू कलर द सर्कल्स ऑन द विंग्स. ओके? नाउ आई हैव नॉट शोन यू द कलरिंग पार्ट. वाई? बिकॉज आई नो ऑल माई किड्स लव एन्जॉय कलरिंग, right? Now you can use different colors because butterflies are very colorful. So you can use different colors to color the circles on the wings of the butterfly. Okay, in this way you have to complete this page number 39. Now there is something else. Look around you. Can you find some other things that look like a circle? In the Zoom session I told you, right? When I was showing you some real objects, I told you that you have to find this around you, around your surrounding. Can you find a circle shape object? Yes, कोई भी object आप ले सकते हो and then you can identify the shape, right? Yes, so this is your activity. So in this way you have to complete your page number 38 and 39. Okay, understood children? So children, I hope you all understood which pages you have to practice for the shape circle. Yes, and I hope you all understood the shape circle, about the shape circle. Yes, okay. Now take out your book and start practicing children, your general awareness subject in the same book. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing to be perfect. Bye bye.